up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student that's about to do her driving test. DMV opens in about 30 minutes, so she'll be doing her test. She's more than ready, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Ready. So we're gonna run through it. There's two options here. We have a video on the channel already that has the first option that we did, the first option. So we're gonna do the second option. This option would be if there is already someone back there doing a driving test, then they'll do this one. So we're just gonna run through the second option. All right, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn it left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
You put it in park. Turn off the ignition.
You pull up your parking brake.
Put on your parking brake.
Right, go ahead, signal left for me. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So they're doing that to make sure that the lights are working. Brake lights, turn signal lights, horn. They will not take you out in the car if the lights are not working. And for those that does not know, the examiners are actually in the car with you now. So yeah, you have to come prepared for them to sit in the car with you, just like they did prior to COVID. All right, so now we're gonna reverse from here and go to the left. So look behind and roll straight back. Look at both ways here as you reverse. You see that man I'm behind you just now? All the way, right? Turn the wheel. Okay, it's a little bit too much. Go ahead and drive. So you backed up a little bit more than you should have before you turned?
Yeah.
Alright, so go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Alright, make sure you signal left. So if you don't signal left, you're losing 4 points for each time that you should. So make sure you signal. Look both ways here and go ahead and make your left turn. You're gonna go down to the stop sign and make another left turn. And the speed limit is about what you're doing, like between 10 and 15. 15 would be the max, because we are in an actual shopping center. So you make sure you come to a complete stop, look both ways here, and go ahead and make a left turn. After this, you can just jump on the line and get ready to get your license. Alright, we're making a left at the end of this little corridor here. This place used to have a bunch of raccoons. Usually they're out at night. Alright, so we're making a right turn past this tree. So as soon as you straighten up here, they'll tell you to stop. So stop about here. So if they tell you to stop while you're going around the corner, then you kind of straighten up first before you stop. You know what I mean? All right, speed up to 20. Do a sudden stop. And stop. Okay, perfect. Reverse straight back. So you look behind and just roll straight back. They'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop like right there. Now we're gonna go forward and we're gonna do the 3-point turn in this area and then park over here. So go ahead, go forward, 3-point turn. So pull closer to the right side as usual. Alright, so we're gonna do the 3-point turn. Go down a little bit more, right there. Alright, 3-point turn. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna pull up over there and park in between those poles on the left side. So you pull as close to the right side as possible because, again, it gives you more room to park. Make sure you signal left. Alright. Okay, pull straight in. Cool, perfect. Alright, now we're gonna reverse and go to the left, and we're gonna head back to the front of the building. That will be the end of the test. So as soon as your mirror is past the cone there, you turn all the way right. And that's great. Alright. Alright, make a left here, and then a left at the stop sign. Three, and go ahead. And look at this line, and the DMV is literally not doing any walk-ins. So I still am confused as to why there's so many people standing on these lines when the DMV is technically not doing walk-ins. Go straight down, and then we're gonna make a left turn. And then a left, so making a left and then a quick left. And quick left turn right here. Make sure you're going to the right lane when you come around that corner though. Alright, park up on the left side. And that would be the end of this test. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Put it in park. So, how do you think you did?
I think I did really good.
100%. Like you really, literally did it perfectly. There's no fault at all. So do it just like that. I have nothing else to say. Just do it exactly like that. Anyway, tell these people to make sure they like and subscribe, please, because they're all watching, but they're not subscribing. So tell them.
Are they really?
Yeah, it's
That's
a lot.
so mean.
I know, right? Everybody's watching.
You gotta like and subscribe. Why are you watching it if you're not subscribing?
You know what I'm saying?
Watch more of it.
Yeah, they're watching. Because I'm getting 60, 70,000 views per month. And I'm getting 350 and so subscribers out of 70,000. That is quite ridiculous. But yeah, that is the reality. Alright, so anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And see you on the next video.